With over 40% of America's supplies now out of stock, local health officials are warning people not to dilute baby formula.
They're also saying not to try and make homemade formula because it can be dangerous for your baby. Fox 13's China Green has more on what our congressional leaders are doing about this, China.
Yeah, good morning, guys. So, just take a look at these shelves. They're bare. It reminds you of the beginning of the pandemic when you couldn't find toilet paper, but this is so much worse because babies aren't getting the food and the nutrients that they need. And the House Committee on Energy and Commerce just announced a hearing on May 25th over this formula crisis. They say they're going to focus on the causes of the shortage, what has been done to increase production and supply thus far, and what still needs to be done. Representatives from Washington State will include Democratic Congresswoman Kim Schreier, who represents parts of Eastern King and Pierce counties, and Republican Congresswoman Kathy McMorris Rogers, who represents Eastern Washington. Now, the biggest supplier of milk formula in the U.S. just announced that they could restart production at their Michigan plant again in the next couple of weeks. The FDA closed down the Abbott plant back in February after 4 babies were sent to the hospital with bacterial infections. 2 of them wound up dying. But according to safety inspectors, none of the bacterial strains at the plant matched those the babies were suffering from. And the FDA is saying Abbott is not likely the source of their infection. Now, according to Reuters, Abbott will start producing their EleCare, Elementinum, and metabolic formulas again. Then Similac and the other brands will follow. But it will take about 6 to 8 weeks before you see that at the store. Liz?